What's going on today, guys? So we wanted to do a quick little video. We had a couple customers asking about the exhaust valve, how to transfer it from one exhaust to another on the Supra. So this is a quick little overview to explain how to do it. This is us doing it on the Apexi exhaust, but it's universal across the board. The Apexi has a little bracket. That's the only difference that you're gonna see per exhaust. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you're gonna need to take the three 10mm bolts out of the valve and the stock exhaust. You're gonna wanna transfer the center spring from one exhaust to the other. The Apexi exhaust and a few others have separate brackets. On the Apexi, it uses two 5mm bolts to hold the bracket onto the exhaust. Prior to putting the 10mm bolts on, you want to line up the spring with the valve and the controller. Finger tighten all the bolts into place. Once the last bolt is in place, go ahead and tighten everything down. Once you're done with that, go ahead and install your exhaust on your car. All right, like I said, super quick video today. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.